measurements of length we have discussed. Like I have explained about the handspan. Handspan means this particular area, right? If I cover this is called handspan. One handspan. This is two handspan. Like that we have discussed. Then finger width is also there. Finger width means this much. See here, this is my finger width, right? This is one. Then this is two. Like that I can make it. Then cubit also we have discussed in the cubit means from this finger to the toe, right? Here, this is my cubit. This one is a 1 cubit. Then it's a 2 cubit, like that I can make. And you can see my foot, right? See, this is 1 foot. This is my foot span. See, I am making measurements. See, 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, like that. This is foot. Then a pace measurement is also there. Pace means just a step. See, 1, 2 pace, 3 pace, 4 pace. Like this, different way we can measure it. After I have given the introduction, I am continuing with that, right? Different way we can measure it. Why we are not? That is a non-standardized measurement, right? We are measuring with a finger width, hand span, cubit, foot span, pace, but it is not a standardized one. Why it is this? Because my length is different from your length, right? Foot is different. Size of the foot is different. So we can't say generally that this blackboard is having some 20 foot distance. We can't say, because if you come and measure, it may be 30. So it differs. That is what we should not go for the non-standardized units. We have gone for a standardized unit. Standardized unit means millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. All these are standardized unit. Millimeter, if you see, it's a small. See here in this tape. This is a millimeter, 1 millimeter. See here, this small line is coming, right? This is 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally, this is 1 centimeter. Means 10 millimeter. If 10 millimeter together gives the 1 centimeter, right? Measurement we used to take like this. This standardized measurement. Millimeter, centimeter, meter, in kilometers. Even in the bus you would have heard from your father or from your uncle, either kilometer like that they would have said, right? This much, how far is the distance is that? 150 kilometer, 200 kilometer, like that you would have discussed. Here, that is kilometer means it is lengthiest one. For the long distance we have to go for the kilometers. If you have a small distance, like I want to measure this eraser. I need not to go for the kilometers. Kilometers and length is one, long one, right? I can go for the millimeters. See here, let us check the measurement of this eraser. How much is it? 1, 2, 3, 3.5. So the length of the eraser is, I can say 3.5 centimeter. I can say 3.5 centimeter, or in millimeter if I want, I can say 35 millimeter. Right? You have seen just now. See here, you count, start counting that millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count it, 20, 30, 35. Till 35 it is coming. Right? Millimeter is smaller unit. Centimeter is the bigger one than the millimeter. Then the meter comes. Meter is more than this. Like this, step by step you can have it. Right? Millimeter, centimeter, meter, goes on like this. Kilometer. But actually in between you get more. That you will study in the next class. Millimeter, after the centimeter, after the decimeter you will get, then meter, then megameter, hectometer, then kilometer you get. That you will understand in the next classes. Right? This you have to know. Millimeter is the smaller one, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Now, let us measure the length of this blackboard. Nandini ma'am will come and measure with a pencil now. Just check it. Height we will measure first. We will measure the height of the blackboard. 1. How much pencil? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now she will measure with a scale, right? With a pencil. Height of the blackboard is 7. 7 pencils we said, right? Now let's measure with the scale. Scale is having a 30 centimeters, right? It's a 30 centimeter scale.
1, 2, 3 and 4.
Yeah. Scale is 4. Now Madam will measure with the pen. She will measure the height of the blackboard with a pen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9.
5. So pen, she said it is 9. Pencils, she measured. She got a 7 pencil for this height. And with the scale, scale is 30 centimeter scale. Right? 4 scale distance she got it for this height. Then with the pen she got 9. So from this also we can understand, even any scale you take, it is 30 centimeter only you will get, right? Whereas if you take up a pencil, you can have a full new pencil or a half worked pencil, anything you can take. That time, this will differ. For one pencil you will get 7, another pencil you will get 12. It is like that. It varies. So this is not a proper measurement, right? We should not go for a non-standardized one. And see, similarly, pen if you take up, it's a 3 rupees sign pen. If you take some other Parker pen or some other cello pen, it is different. Definitely in that pen, you will not get the same 9 pens, right? You may get 7 or 6. So we can't standardize the measurement with this also. That is what to standardize the measurement. We have gone for the millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, all these things. That's what we have gone. Why we are studying this, you understood, right? Now let's see how we are going to study this. Let me take a ribbon now. Now madam will measure the length of the ribbon with a standardized measurement. Now the length of the ribbon is
55.
length of the ribbon is
53.5.
53.5 ribbon. 53.5 centimeter. She has said that in the centimeter. Now we will mainly focus on the conversion of meter to centimeter, centimeter to meter and kilometer. All the conversion we will see now. Right? Before starting, first let us try to understand the multiplication division of the numbers. First let me multiply a 2 with 10. 10 means 1 and 0. Right? Backside what is there? 0 is there. Remember always this. Whatever the number may be this side, if we are multiplying with 1 and 0, the 0 has to put next to the number. That's it. Similarly, 0 you have to put next to that number. So here 36 into 10. So what you have to do? You have to put a 36. And next to that number you have to put 1 0 because 1 0 we are multiplying. 10 we are multiplying, right? Similarly, you check it here. 4, 5, 8. We are multiplying with 10. Here it is only 1 0. So you have to put only 0. This is the answer for that. Similarly for 100. If you have 100 means 2 zeros. So you have to put 2 0 here. If it is 1000 means 3 0. You have to put 3 zeros here. This you have to remember always. See here. 2654 I am multiplying with 100. 2654 because I am multiplying with 100. There is 2 digit 0, right? So you have to put 2 zeros here. So the answer is 2,65,400. Similarly, you multiply this with 1,000. I am multiplying here. Check it. 3 0 is there. So we have to put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 0, 0. Similarly, here you check it. I am multiplying with 10,000. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So I have to put, after this number, I have to put 4 zeros. That's it. The multiplication is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 0, 0, 0. Similarly, division, you can check. When I am going to divide with a 10, you have to strike out only 1 0 from this, that's it. One digit means you have to strike out one digit, that is the meaning from the left hand side. So 100 is divided by 10 means you have to strike out one digit, 1 0, right? So the answer is 10. Similarly, 1000 is divided with 100 means you have to strike out 2 zeros. See here, the answer is again 10. And here you see, it is 1111. I am dividing with 1000. So 3 digit, 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit, you know the decimal points and all. You have studied in the last year, right? 1.111. See, after 3 digit, I have put a decimal point. This is what the general multiplication and division. Now we will go for our conversion. We know that 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, right? And 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. We know this. With this, we will do the conversion. And 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Both the things, right? Reversely I have written. Now, I am going to convert this 7 meter into centimeter. 7 meter into centimeter. So 1 meter is 100. So 1 into 100. 7 meter means we have to multiply this 100 with the 7. We know that 7 into 100 is equal to, you have to put 2 zeros at the back of the number 700. Similarly, the answer for this is, it is 800 centimeter. You have to put the unit, you should not forget, right? Because we are doing conversion of meter into centimeter. So meter is converted into centimeter. Meter is a bigger one, centimeter is a smaller one. So automatically your answer will be the higher number. You have to remember this because it is small and this one is big. Because your meter is higher number, you have to get a small number, and centimeter is smaller unit, so you have to get the higher number. Similarly, here it is 12 into 100. So 1200 centimeter is the answer. Right? Similarly, we can reverse it. Conversion of centimeter into meter. We know again 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Right? 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Check it here. 700 centimeters there. I have to make this into meter. So what I have to do? I have to divide by 100. Divide by 100 means 2 0. I have to strike it out. That's it. Right? So answer will be 700 divided by 100. Because I am making this into a smaller one, right? So here it is 2 0, you can strike out. Answer is 7 meter. 700 centimeter becomes 7 meter. Similarly, here you can check 200 divided by 100. I am going to make this centimeter into a meter, right? So again it is 100, so I have to divide it. Answer is 2 meter. See here, 543 centimeter divided by 100. I am going to make it into a meter. So my answer will be here 2 zeros. So 2 decimal point is there. I am striking out if 0 is there means. I don't have a 0 now, so I have to put a decimal point here. Right? After 2 digits, I have to put a decimal point. So answer will be 5.43 meter. You can write in this way or you can write like this. 5 meter 43 centimeter. In this way also you can write either or. This way or this way you can write. Better you go in this way because in your book everything is written. Fine. We will go for the addition now. Now we know the conversion of meter into centimeter, centimeter into meter. We will go for the addition. 46 meter and 21 centimeter. 46 centimeter. Right. So let me add. Here if you go with the left hand side it is better. If you are very clear, you can go from the left hand side. Very clear means. Otherwise you go with a normal way. Both the way I will try now. First I will try old method. 7 plus 1 it is 8. 2 plus 8 it is 10. So 0. 1 is the carry over. So 1 comes this side. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. 79 meter. My answer is 79 meter 8 centimeter. Right? Because if I go from the left hand side, 4 plus 3 is 7. Right? I don't have a bigger number. I have to check the next number. 6 plus 2 is 8. I have to check it here. Any bigger, more than 10 will come. Here it will come. So while writing itself, I have to write, instead of writing 8, I have to straightly write 9. Here I will check. 2 plus is 10. So already I have taken. So 0 I will be getting. 7 plus 1 is 8. So this way also you can do. This is the addition for all kind of addition. Meter to centimeter you have to do it. Subtraction is. In the subtraction, 52 meter and 48 centimeter is subtracted with 41 centimeter, 41 meter and 31 centimeter. Right. So here, same, both the way you can go. 8 minus 1 is 7, 4 minus 3 is 1, and here 2 minus 1 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. This way also you can go here, right? If you are very clear about the numbers, go from here. 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So here any bigger number? No. So I can proceed. 4 minus 1 is 4 minus 3 is again 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. This way also you can do. Both the way you will get the same answer. You check in your book. Conversion of meter into centimeter, right? Just now we have discussed this. So what you have to do is, you have to do this exercise. See here activity, you can fill it. It's very simple, right? Only 2 zeros you have to add it. You add it here. Then do the exercise. 3 meter convert into centimeter. So what it becomes? 300 centimeter. 3700 centimeter. Like that you converted. Fine. Then addition. Adding the meter and centimeter. That also we have discussed now. See here example I have discussed. 41, 26, 29, 75. Either you can go from the right hand side or from the left hand side. It's your choice. If you are going, see here I am adding 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So 67 is coming here. Here 2 plus 7 is 9, but whereas my next number is the higher one. So I will be getting 1 carry. So here I have to put 10, so 0. So here one more comes. So here instead of 7 you have to write 8. So this way also you can go. Otherwise in an older method you can go. Right? You have to complete this also. Exercise 4.2. Then subtraction also just now we have discussed. Right? Subtraction just now we have discussed. So this exercise 4.3 also you can try it. Right? So we will solve one problem from your exercise 4.4. Let me select any one problem. Let me select this. Right? A fisherman bought 2 nets. The length of the first and second nets are 23 meter 43 centimeter and 25 meter 63 centimeter. What is the total length of nets? This was the question. Let me solve this. Right? So fisherman has bought 2 nets. One is 23 43. 23 meter 43 centimeter. Right? Another one is 25 63. 25 meter 63 centimeter. So the question is, what is the total length of the net? So both the things I have to add it. Right? Let me add. From this side also you can move, or that side also you can move. Let me start now in this way. So 2 plus 2 4. 3 plus 5 is 8. Whereas I have to check it here. Previous is 4 plus 6 is 10 will come. So I will add now itself 1. Instead of 8 I can put 9. So here 0 before that I have to check it here. 0. Same, right? So 1 carry we have taken. 3 plus 3 6. This way also we can add. Otherwise the normal method 3 plus 3 6. 4 plus 6 10. So 0. 1 is carry over. Why we have taken 1? Because we know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. That is what when the 2 digits itself we are moving to the meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. That's what we are moving. So 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 5 9. 40. Same as previously also we have got the same. The same also. One more problem I will solve. Let's go for the fourth problem. A shopkeeper sold 37 meter 69 centimeter cloth out of 93 meter 75 centimeter in stock. How much stock is left with him? Okay, so the shopkeeper was having 93 centimeter sorry, 93 meter and 75 centimeter. Let me write here. He is having a stock as 93.75 and he sold 37.69. So 37.69. Right. So what we have to do? We have to subtract from this. This is the stock. He sold this. What is the left amount? Left cloth they are asking. So we have to subtract this. Let me start 5. So 5 is smaller than 9. So I have to take 1. It becomes 15. Right. So 15 minus 9 is 6. And here it becomes 6. We know that. Because 1 we have given to here, 10 we have given. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Whereas we will go here. 3 minus 7, it is not possible. So we have to take 1 from here. So this becomes 8. Right? And here it becomes 13. So now what answer? 6. And here 8 minus 3 is 5. Right? So 56 meter, 6 centimeter is left over. Fine. The same way. Can go in this way also. You try doing from the left hand side. Let me check. 9 minus 3 I can do it very well. Whereas here 3 minus 7 I can't do. So I have to place 1 from here. Right? This we have to keep it in our mind. Then you check it this side also. Here it is 7 minus 6 we can make it. But whereas 5 minus 9 we can't make because we have to take 1 more that. Right? So what I will do is 9 minus 3 is 6. So 1 I will give. So instead of 6 I will directly write 5. Let me erase this. Instead of 6 directly I will write because I have given 1 here. Right. Whereas here I have 13. Right. 13 minus 7 is automatically 6. Next I am moving 7 minus 6, but before that I have to check here. Here I have to give 1. So I will make this as 6 already in my mind. So 6 minus 6 is 0 and here 15 has gone, so 15 minus 9 is 6. So if you do it in the left hand side or right hand side, you will be getting the same answer. Final will be meter and centimeter. Fine. It's what you have to do is in your home. You try to complete this exercise 4.4 remaining problems. You have to do it in your notebook. All the problems you have to do it in your notebook also, book as well as in your note. Fine. Now we will go for the estimation. Right? Estimation means we are going to estimate. What they are saying is you have to estimation. Just let me estimate the length of this blackboard. I will estimate that this may have a 3 meter or 4 meter. I may estimate. Means guessing. Guessing is the estimation. We'll estimate, and if we measure it, we will get the exact amount. That is what about the estimation. Okay? Fine. For example, I have given beautiful example here. See here. This is Meera's house. This one is a market, and this is school. And this one is Meera's uncle's house. Now the questions are: the longest distance between Meera's house and the fruit shop is. Longest distance between Meera's house and the fruit shop. Right? Where is the fruit shop here? School, Meera's house. Here is a toy shop. I think instead of right, this is a toy shop. Here is a fruit shop. Fine. Longest distance means Meera has to go in this way. Right? If it is the shortest distance they were asking in the questions means Meera has to go in this way. This is a fruit shop, right? So 18 kilometer is the shortest distance, and longest means you have to take 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 20, 55, 55 plus 21, 76 kilometers. So longest is 76. Like that you have to make it remaining things. And here is the next question is the shortest distance between Meera's house and Meera's uncle's house. So closer one is this one. Longest one is this one. These all you have to do. Right? In your home, check it and complete this as well as the 4.5 exercise. Right? You have to convert meter into centimeter. Just now we have discussed in the class. This also you are completing. Okay kids, next week you may get the unit test in your patterns as well as in the measurement. So prepare well for your unit test. Thank you. Take care.